Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our diecast channel, and now I'm going to show you this 1967 Camaro Z-28. I'd first like to thank you for all views, for all likes and all comments you've left on my channel, and I do appreciate whenever you can comment, leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. So let's unbox it and take a closer look. Well, once I've got the Camaro unboxed, let's take a closer look to it. Let's first take a look at the engine. Let's pop the hood open. We can see that the engine compartment in this car is very well done, just like any other ERTL Authentics. And this car features a 302 engine, 302 Chevy, which is an orange engine with a chrome valve covers. It's got old cables, brake system, radiator, alternator. The engine compartment itself, which is black, it's very well done. It's got the spring hood mechanism, the hinges, which are very nice. The antenna that goes up and down, just like in a real car. Camaro badge. These wheels that are very famous in Chevy cars back in the 1960s and 70s. Send these wheels in Corvettes, Camaros, El Caminos, Chevelles. This front end here, it looks awesome. The grill is actually a grill, is not only a piece of plastic. It's got a Chevy badge right in the center, and we can see the radiator right in the back. Headlights and auxiliary lights are very nice, very well done, very well made, and as well as a front bumper. Let's take a look at the interior. Let's get the lights here, since the interior is black, so it's good to have some lights. You can see the dashboard with the cup gauges Camaros usually have. Steering wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel. Leather seats with seat belts and carpet. It's manual transmission. It's black interior, black headlines. Really looks nice. Door handle is very well reproduced, as well as the vinyl top. I do like those stripes a lot. The trunk here is extremely well made. Spare tire just laying right here. Trunk lock. Trunk mat. Actually a rubber mat, I think. Trunk lid reinforcements and hinges. Trims. Rear bumper. And the bottom of it, which is perfect. So we can see the mufflers, gas tank, drive shaft that moves as we turn the rear wheels, transmission and engine, starter right there, steering system, front and rear working suspensions, which are very nice in these models. Really like this color. I think red Camaros are very nice. I'd rather have blue Camaros. Well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I do thank you a lot for all views, likes, and comments you've left so far. Thank you, and see you next video. Bye-bye.